Hello, welcome. In this video I will show you how you can create sales funnels for any languages like Arabics, Hindi, Hebrews, Urdu, Thai, Japanese, Koreans. Actually, it was a question that I received a lot these last 10 years because for a long time it was quite difficult. Most of the marketing tools didn't support all these languages. But today I will show you what I use and how you can use it to build your funnels in any languages. Welcome in my system dashboard. System is all-in-one marketing tools I use to build funnels, but you also do a lot of things like email marketings, webinars. You can have your own memberships website to sell your online courses, for example. You can build your affiliate programs. So you have everything you need to do marketing online. So let's create some pages. So let's go in funnels and select created. So we'll make a new custom funnels and we'll add one step on this funnels. Let's select a squeeze page, for example. So now we can select one of these templates. So let's take this one and we just have to click here to edit. So now we can edit these pages. So we simply have to select the text here and put our texts. And that's it. You can actually edit everything here. If you want to put colors on the titles, just select the color. If you want to change the text here, you just select the button, and here in button text, you can change it. And the same thing for here, for the input form. If you want to change names, you just select it, and that's it. So as you see, it's quite simple and is supporting Arabic languages. So if you guys want to build a sales funnels, like an opt-in pages, sell pages, you can try this product for free. I put a link in the descriptions. You have a free trials to test this product. As you saw, it's very easy to use, so you can build your own pages quickly and start your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see my next video, you can subscribe to the channels and select the notifications, and see you soon.